Hey friends, here's a tip for you to help you in this new year to improve your business more. If your business is growing and you're moving in a better direction, you're enhancing what you're doing and want to continue to build out your team and build infrastructure to where you don't have to do it all yourself, the one thing you want to be thinking about all the time is how can I replace myself? So I've heard other of my friends in the entrepreneur space that they've said that they actually set a goal every 3 months to take something that they did and give it to somebody else. So they're slowly pulling themselves out of doing the day-to-day stuff and they're focusing on working less in the business and more on the business. So as you're growing your business, think about how can I duplicate this? How can I get somebody else to do this for me and get the same results that I'm getting in doing it? That's what you want to be thinking about. That mentality will help you to build better processes in your business to guide you in making sure you can find more success. So it's common for a business owner to think, I just need to get it done. How can I do this really well? And then you go out and you do it really well and do a great job at it and people love you for it. But you also need to think, okay, if you do that thinking too much, you're going to keep yourself stuck in being really, really, really busy in your business. What you want to do is think about how can I teach somebody else to do this and get the same results that I am doing. So it's not bad for you to do it, but your goal of you doing it is to eventually build a process that you can have somebody else do and they'll get the value that you're getting as well, or at least close to it. So start replacing yourself. Start thinking, how can I duplicate my efforts? If I had to hire someone to do this for me, what would I charge so that I could afford to pay them to do this? So that will start to shift your pricing strategies and other things to help you in building a more efficient business to help you in growing. So if you have questions about this tip, please put it in the comments, or if you've used this tip, how has it helped you in your business as well? We look forward to seeing you in the comments. See you there.